What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix a app crashing issue in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So to fix this issue, first of all try restarting your phone. So to restart, swipe down and click on this power icon and then click on restart. Now again click on this restart icon to restart your phone, and after restarting your phone it will help you to fix the app's crashing issue. But if it doesn't fix your issue, then open and close the app that is crashing 2 to 3 times. So for example, if the Chrome browser is not working in your phone, then open and close the Chrome app 2 to 3 times, and after that the app will start working properly. But if you're still facing the issue, then make sure your app is up to date. So to check for apps updates, open Play Store, click on your profile icon and then click on manage apps and device. Now here click on updates, and from here check if the crashing app is in the list of these apps. So from here update the app to the latest version, and after updating the app will start working properly. So after all these solutions, if you are still facing the issue, then the last solution is update your mobile software. So to do this, open settings, scroll down and click on general management. Click on software update and then click on download and install. Now from here update your mobile software to the latest version, and after updating your mobile software the app crashing issue will be 100% fixed. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.